from the ashes, the ruins, the dark. They gave me a name, but never a face. Only numbers and duty, no time, no place. They stitched me from Caesars and Soviet suns, from battlefield ghosts and forgotten guns. Each time I rose, I bore their weight, a monument made to carry fate. But I found a light, I found her grace. In melody's arms I found my place. A name not whispered by war or command, but spoken in love by small, gentle hands. I just wanna be frank, not your weapon, not your saint. I've given you all that I can erase. Don't make me your monster again. Let me rest in this tender space before I become your machine of loving grace. My body's a map of every war, every stitch another locked door. You pull the strings, you light the wires, but I still feel the warmth of fire. The fire of children calling me home, of gardens and tables and nights alone. Is that too much to ask for the dead who rise, to be kissed goodnight, to see clear skies? I just wanna be frank. No more wars, no more tanks. Let me dance in this fleeting grace. Don't twist my soul into steel again. I've earned this heart, this time, this place, before I become your machine of loving grace. If you must, then I will, but let me say goodbye as a man, to the woman I love, to the children I held, to the breath I never thought I'd have the chance to know. Yes, I will be your Frank, if that's what the world